To obtain a cash advance on your Citi credit card, it is essential to first understand the terms of the agreement, particularly the significantly higher APR for cash advances, as well as the 3 to 5% fee charged for ATM withdrawals. Once you are aware of these terms, you can proceed by contacting the customer care number on the back of your credit card to find your cash advance limit and to obtain your cash advance PIN, which can also be accessed through the app or online banking. Next, locate an ATM within your credit card's network and insert your card, selecting the cash advance option from the withdrawal section and entering your PIN to access the funds. After allowing some time for the request to be processed, the ATM will dispense the money once your withdrawal is approved. It is crucial to note the terms and conditions, including the higher APR, before initiating the cash advance process, and to ensure you have the necessary information and authentication to complete the transaction successfully.